Hello, this is Mr. Santella here, and I'm going to give you a little tour of our Canvas homepage. Canvas is where you are going to go to submit all of your work, see what is coming up, and engage in our online Zoom discussions. So when you get to Canvas, the first thing you're going to see is this Global Studies homepage, and the first thing you need to do before class every day is to check yourself in with the appropriate attendance check-in link. There is one for period 3, and I'm sorry, one for period 1 and one for period 3. Please make sure you're checking in for the correct class. As we scroll down, you'll have my schedule, contact information, office hours, our link for our Zoom sessions, any announcements coming up that you need to be aware of, and of course this video, which is not here yet because I'm recording it right now. Key things are on the bottom. You want to use these buttons here. There is a calendar. If you click the calendar, it will take you to a calendar to show you what is coming up at any given time, what may be due. And you can look at that calendar, as you can see up here, by week. You can look at it by month, or you can look at it by agenda. All right, agenda will tell you kind of in order what's coming up on any particular date or time. I can see that there's this homework assignment called Early Struggles, article and notes on Graphic Organizer, due on Monday, September 21st. Those will be in the order in which they are coming up due. All right, I'm going to go back to our home page here. I'm going to actually use the back feature because I don't see my home showing up. And okay, back on the home page. Other key items you want to be aware of are this button for modules. Modules are like units, and if I click that, it will show you the various units of work that we have and the assignments that are part of that unit. So Unit 1, Race, Social Justice, and the BLM Movement. I can see we have a unit. We have one assignment coming up. If I were to click on that assignment, it will show you that we have an article and a graphic organizer. Right? So, and a rubric attached to that as well. I'm going to go back. We're looking at this in student view right now. You may have a menu on the side, by the way, where you'll have other options for those modules. Discussions, we may use some online discussions. These are kind of like virtual discussions through Canvas where we can all kind of weigh in asynchronously, meaning not at the same time on a particular topic. The other item I want to point out here on our homepage, which I think is a really good feature if you miss class in particular, is, I'll wait for that to open up here, is this class log. The class log is an opportunity for you to see what we covered kind of in narrative form on any particular day if you were to miss class. So here, for example, I have what we did on 9/18, our daily target, a little narrative summary of what was covered in class on that day, notes and links to any particular units or instruction or modules that we're working on, class slides. If we use any slides on that day, they will be posted on that page, and if there are any relevant recordings of our class session. Maybe you couldn't make it to the Zoom in the morning. That way you can get an idea of what we covered in class. Keep in mind, you can always email me with any questions about what was covered, or if you don't understand something that we went over on the modules, if you weren't in the class. Email me at any time. Contact information is there. And I hope this has been helpful for you to understanding a little bit about how to navigate our Canvas homepage.